Hi, this is Jerry. I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of QuickMeasure Onscreen. QuickMeasure begins and ends with Microsoft Excel. You'll see displayed at the top of the screen our QuickMeasure pull-down menu and our measuring icons: linear feet, square feet, segmented lengths, and counts, the four measuring functions. I've typed in some descriptions, and I've also preset colors and line styles. The way you do that is to right-click on them. That brings up this menu where we can set the line style. And I've selected this color, and I've told it that it's an area versus a line or a segment. I've gone to the Edit button where you can choose a different line style, a different hatching pattern, a different line width, that type of thing. After these are set up, you obviously don't want to have to keep doing that, so you'll save it. And this becomes your master spreadsheet. Somebody sends you some plans, so you'll want to go back to your master spreadsheet, make a copy of it, save it as the name of the job. And once you've done that, you'll be ready to attach the drawings. Go to the fifth icon, click on Add New Plan, navigate to where the drawings are that you want, hold your Control key down and select multiple images if you want. And those four drawings are now attached to this spreadsheet. There's a big advantage to that. Every time you do a new bid, you make a copy of your master spreadsheet, you name it for the job, and that spreadsheet will remember the pathways to the drawings that are associated with it, so you're instantly organized. This PDF has only one image in it. If it was a full set, QuickMeasure would detect that and take us to a different screen where you can see each image and put a check mark next to the ones that you want. If you're a roofing contractor, you don't care about the landscaping. If you're a forming contractor, you don't care about the roofing. So you can leave behind the drawings that are not important to you. Now I'm going to select the cells where I want my measurements to go. Go to one of these first four measuring icons. You're taken to the QuickMeasure screen, and the first drawing will be displayed. This one happens to be sideways, as they often are, so you can rotate it. And you'll have a tab down here for each drawing. It's kind of like flipping through the pages of a set. Before we can begin measuring, we need to set the scale. I want to find a dimension that I can use to set the scale with. There's one here. I'm going to zoom up on this and drag the drawing over so I can bring that onto the screen. I want to get it nice and large on the screen. Go to the scale icon. There are options we can discuss if you request a full demonstration. Right now I'm going to leave it in the calibrate mode, which is preferred. Click Done. Key in 16 feet, and that sets the scale. Now we do make it easy for you to go back and check the scale later on. If somebody else has done the takeoff and you want to check it, you can do that. You can even change it, and it'll recalibrate all of your previous measurements. Now I'm going to zoom back and focus on this slab. Notice that when we came to the screen, it brought our descriptions with us. The first one is highlighted. It's in the square foot mode. The color's been preset because that's the way we set the spreadsheet up. All I need to do now is measure. Click corner to corner. And then double click. When you double click, it ends the measurement and displays the result, square feet, and there's the perimeter. It also puts you into the add mode. So if I want to add another area, then these two areas are added together. If this is a mistake and you want to delete it, you go to Select, click on it once, touch Delete, and it's taken out. Now I'm going to measure a lawn area. I'll zoom up on that and begin clicking along this curved line. To save some time, I'm going to cut this short, come right back down here. And then double click. Oh, I made a mistake. So you can go to Select, and you can click on it or double click, and this lets you correct any mistakes that you made. Now I want to remove an area, so I'm going to go to Area Subtract and go around this area, and it'll be deducted from the larger area. Now I want to take off some curbing, and I'll begin here. This is how the line mode works. You go point to point along the line, and then when you get to the end of it, you'll double click and it ends it. If you want to begin again somewhere else, if I want to end it there, double click and these two lines are added together. Take off a trench. I'm in the segment mode. If there's an irrigation pipe that goes from point A to point B, 2 points is one measurement. If another one tees off of it, 2 points, that's another measurement, and they're added together. To count trees, I'll simply click on these trees. It uses the icon I had selected for the spreadsheet earlier. And we finished with this takeoff. I'll click Done, and the measurements are sent back to the spreadsheet. When we send the measurements to Excel, we also send the graphic of each measurement, and again this spreadsheet remembers the pathways to the drawings. So everything is encapsulated in this spreadsheet. Anytime you want to revisit it from any computer on your network, you open it up, select the cells where the measurements are, go to this icon, you're taken back to the drawing in exactly the same position you were. You can make additions or changes. You can print the plan out right from Excel, and when you do, it prints it with the color overlays. It also prints your descriptions from the spreadsheet, your measurements, and a sample of each color that was used, so you'll have a legend for the plan. We have built-in tools that will let you convert areas to cubic yards, lengths to cubic yards, and so on. You can add in your costs in this spreadsheet. Again, you can use it with your own spreadsheet. If you'd like to see a full demonstration, or if you have questions, please give us a call at area code 925-200-5433, 925-200-5433, or leave a message on our website at easytakeoff.com. Thanks for listening.